This might be the best budget case that you can get for the iPhone 17 series. It checks so many of the boxes and is an excellent case. And today we are taking a look at the Phone Rebel Air for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, huge shout out to Phone Rebel for sending this over to me to review for you guys. The price on this is $21.99. And of course, all links are down in the description below for you to check out for yourself. So let's take a look. Classic Phone Rebel packaging. We get this white box with a picture of the case there. On the back, you get some details about the case itself. Slim design, super grip, tactile buttons, camera control, strong magnets, and easy swipe. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Now, starting off, you just open it up, and all you are getting this time around is your case. Now, I do wish that we still got the screen protector with the cases. I know that not a lot of people used it because there was no installation tray, things like that. It's easier to mess up, but it was nice that you could get a one-stop shop with all of Phone Rebel's cases back then. So I'd still love to see that be put into the box, but I definitely understand why they took it out. But either way, this is what we are looking like with the case itself. So you're getting a full TPU case, little Phone Rebel logo right there. We do get our TPU camera ring right here. And then on the inside, you get your little pattern there. That's going to help you with some shock absorption, as well as your MagSafe and alignment magnets. And then going around the inside of the case, we do get that TPU material that goes all the way around. And that's a look at our camera control button right there, which of course we will test out. So let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper here. We'll see how much this thing weighs. And starting off in grams, we are looking at 50 grams on this case. So it's a little bit on the heavier side, but you're getting a nice protective case with this thing, and especially all that for $21.99. Then going over with our caliper, we're looking at 11.7 front to back. With the camera plateau, it's 13.9. And then inside to outside, we are looking at 3.1 millimeters there. So not the thickest case. It is a little bit on the heavier side, but you're getting that protection, just like I said, and it's still a minimal case. It feels very comfortable in the hand, but don't let me get ahead of myself. Right now, though, let's go ahead and bring over Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max, and we'll put it in here and listen out for that click. Ooh, solid click onto there. This case is going to have a very nice fit going all the way around, nice and stiff. You're going to have no problems. Around your buttons, it is a little tiny bit more loose. Same thing with the camera control, but really no issues whatsoever. Bottom is pretty good, and top is pretty good. It does require a little bit of pressure to move that. But let's go ahead and take a look at how those corners fit. 1, good. 2, 3, and 4. The top 2 corners definitely have a little bit better of a click than the bottom 2 on here, but the fit on this case is very good. You will have no problems if you drop this case and your phone is in it. Your phone will not come out of the case. But let's look at the screen and the camera protection real quick. Let me just wipe this down. I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you are getting those nice little claws that Phone Rebel calls them right there for your screen protection. So you can set this down on any surface and you will be just fine when it comes to the screen. And then your camera bump does have a pretty decent camera bump right there, so you're getting some protection. That way you can set this down as well on any surface and you will be good to go. So let's go ahead and take a look around the sides. Now on the top, it does say Rebel right there. You get a little bit of that branding. On the left-hand side, we do have our action button, volume up and down. The rest is closed, and you get these little grip spikes here on both sides of the case, which I love that it's on both sides of the camera control button as well. That way you get really good grip when it comes to this case. You will not drop this. The back isn't really textured, but these side grips are very, very nice and pronounced, and I really like the way they feel. Now let's listen to how these buttons sound. But before we do that, I just did want to show you guys that you get a little bit of a line right there for your action button. Your volume up and down do have a plus and minus on them, so you can kind of feel what's what. But let's listen to how these sound. Very nice clicky buttons. The action button could be a tiny bit more clicky, but I think if you give this a few clicks after a couple of days of use, this should be even better, but it's not mushy or anything at all. Then moving along to the bottom, we get nice cutouts for the mic and the speaker, and a USB Type-C port cutout, which should be just fine with all of your thicker head cables. Let's plug that in. There we go, we're charging. And yeah, guys, you'll have no issues whatsoever with the thicker head cables there. And then moving along to the right-hand side, we are getting, like I said, those grip spikes on both sides, a little bit of air branding right there on this side, your camera control, and your power button. But let's test that button out, and let's see, is this the same button that was on last year's Gen 6 Ultra? Yeah, it is. This thing, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Fantastic button, super responsive, absolutely no complaints, not too easy to click or anything like that. The button is very good on this case. Again, $21.99. Excellent budget case. I really think this may be the best budget case that you can get. You're getting good protection, good grip. You're getting a nice screen lip with those corners. The sides of it here, as you guys can see, are meant for swiping. The bottom, the top, the sides. So you're not going to have any weird swiping issues or anything like that. It is going to work very, very well when it comes to the screen lip and the swiping with this case. You're getting good protection, nice clean look. This will look good with the blue, with the orange, with that silver, with any of your phone colors. And they do also come for a bunch of the other iPhones. Now, unfortunately, it does not come for the iPhone Air, which I really, really wish it did. So I can't show that to you guys. But it does come for the other phones, and it works very well. It's a great case. But let's solidify that and make sure it's got good MagSafe. Does this have that tried and true Phone Rebel MagSafe? Let's start off with our Apple MagSafe wallet. Attach that. Ooh, that sounded good. Animation. Oh, yeah. And you do definitely have to give this a little bit of pressure for that to come off. Now, of course, the back is smooth, as is this leather wallet, so that may cause not really any issues, but it may not be as strong as something, for example, like the Apple MagSafe battery pack, which let's attach that. Animation, and yeah, shake it till the cows come home. You'll be good to go. This has very strong MagSafe. And last but not least, the Anker 623, and yeah, very good MagSafe. It's not going to be as strong as like the Phone Rebel Gen 6 or Gen 7 that's coming very soon, which, by the way, that review is coming on the channel as soon as I get that case in, so definitely stay tuned for that. But very good MagSafe nonetheless. It'll work very well with all your car mounts, your nightstand chargers, your MagSafe battery packs, your wallets, all your accessories, pop sockets. This case will be very good. So, B, what do you think about the Phone Rebel Air? Is it a good case? Is it actually the best budget case to get? In my opinion, I think so. Last year, I called the Spigen Liquid Air T the best budget case for one reason over this one, and that was because it had a very good camera control button. Well, now, with this camera control button here, guys, I think this has to take the crown. This might be the budget king for the iPhone 17 series. But let me know what you guys think about the Phone Rebel Air down in the comments below. Do you have one? Have you ever used one, or did you buy one for the 17? I think it's really, really good. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. We are this close to hitting 10,000 subs on the channel, guys. I would love to see that happen. So if you enjoyed this review or you liked what I had to say, make sure you get subbed up, because we got a ton of accessories coming for the Air, for the 17 Pro Max, for all the devices, everything that I can possibly get my hands on. You better believe I'm going to show you. But if you guys want to see another really good budget case that's right there around that same price point and has one for the iPhone Air, I'll leave that video right here. If you guys want to see my best 5 cases that you can buy at Best Buy right now, I'll leave that video right here.